Hey guys, welcome back to Pokebiru. So we got a box from Japan in the mail today. And Sheshe the trader seems super curious. Oh, it's the new sets, Black Bolt and White Flare. This is the file set. And we have the booster boxes. This is the White Flare one. And this is the black... Sheshe, what are you doing? There are no treats in there. Wait, who sent these treats? Is this Team Rocket? Sheshe? I knew it. What do you mean they're all yours? No, they're not. If anything, we're gonna have a battle for this. A pack battle. You versus me, Sheshe Ram. Let's go. So take a look at these boxes. Reshiram and Zekrom. Such brilliant artwork. I love both the boxes. They look so cool. And for this video, we're going to be doing something slightly different. We're going to have a pack battle for sure. Me versus Sheshe. But this time, we're not going to open one booster box at a time. Instead, we're going to take 10 random packs out of one set and put them next to 10 random packs out of the other set. And then we're gonna have a Black Bolt versus White Flare epic pack battle one-on-one. It's you versus me, Sheshe. Let's see what happens. Also guys, as always, here on the Pokebiru channel, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more videos like these. We have plenty more to open, like the file sets, a bunch of other sets. Stay tuned for more. And if you want to know how Sheshe betrayed us by joining Team Rocket, check out our last video, pinned in the description below. Guys, both of these sets have beautiful cards. And it's not just the big three, which is Zekrom, Reshiram, and Kyurem. All those cards and their art rares and special art rares are absolutely beautiful. But my personal favorites like Zoroark and Hydreigon EX are absolutely beautiful, and if we could pull even one of them, I'd be extremely happy, and so would Sheshe. So let's get this pack battle started then. So we're gonna take out 10. We've kept 10 White Flare. We're gonna look for 10 Black Bolt. There we go. And we're gonna put the Black Bolt and the White Flare back in there. There we go. So we're ready to start our 1v1 pack battle. Let's go, Sheshe Ram. Alright, so we have both the packs in hand. We're gonna begin starting off with Sheshe's White Flare. Let's go. Let's see if you get a hit, Sheshe. Alright, so we got Patrat, Sewaddle, Vanillish, Trubbish, Klinklang, Ferrothorn, and Vanilluxe. No hit for you, Sheshe. My turn. Black Bolt. Let's go, Zekrom. Minchino, Krokorok, Dwebble, Krokorok! Art rare! Wow, look at that card! Meloetta EX! We got 2 hits in the first pack, guys! Prism Energy and Seismitoad. Alright, moving on to pack number 2. So far, no hits for Sheshe yet. Let's see if that changes. Alright, starting off with Cottonee, Pansear, Swilus, Brave Bangle, Archeops, Cherin, and Simisear. No hits for you yet, Sheshe. And my turn again. Let's go, Black Bolt. Give me some hits. Darumaka, Venipede, Axew, Electric. Oh, that's shiny. Genesect EX! Let's go! Another hit! Simisage and Fennel. On to pack number 3. 0 hits for Sheshe so far. I'm still at 3. I'm winning, Sheshe. Okay. Clink, Clang, Yamask, Shelmet. Oh, it's the Pringles man! Bravery, and Galvantula. Okay, so you got one hit. That's good. It's my turn again. Alright. We got Poniard, Timber, Emolga, Caracosta, Cobalion, Juniper, and Crocodile. No hits for me in this one. Finally got to one, huh, Sheshe? Alright, moving on to pack number 4. I'm leading 3-1. Let's hope you get something, Sheshe. We got Scraggy, Boulder, Joltik, Gothitelle, Gofagrigus, Tool, and Livani. Nothing yet. Guess I'm winning this one, Sheshe. Alright. Got Elgyem, Pidove, Fracture, Rockorock, Volcarona, Pokegear, and Scolipede. Not bad, I'm still winning. Alright, pack number 5. We're halfway through. Okay, Sheshe, let's go. Ducklet, Frillish, Trubbish, Klinklang Master Ball, Terrakion, Arkin, and Harlequin. You got a hit, Sheshe. You're only one behind now. You got 2. Alright, my turn. Come on, I've got to pull away. Golett, Whirlipede, Tranquil, Betalil, Haxorus, Electros, and Energy Coin. I didn't get a hit. Alright, pack number 6. Let's see if you can catch up to me, Shishiram. Starting with Ducklet, Pignite, Clang, Blitzel, and Hydreigon EX! Stunfisk and Stoutland. Okay, so we're neck and neck, 3-3. Let's see if I can overtake you now. Come on. Dynamo, Axew, Solosis, Throw. Zekrom EX! We got the Zekrom! Electric and Throw. Alright, pack number 7. I'm leading by 1, Sheshe. Let's see if you can catch up. Zorua, Dieno, Blitzel. Oh, default art rare. Wow, that's so beautiful. Wow. Zoroark, Ignition Energy, and Swanna. Wow, it's 4-4. This is such a close battle. Alright, come on. Give me something big. Audino, Panpour, Carablast, Darumaka, Beartic, Crustle, and Bisharp. Okay, so we're stuck 4-4. Pack number 8. Here we go, Sheshe. Purloin, Oshawott, Deerling, Sigilyph, Gothitelle, Energy Retrieval, and Swoobat. Okay. Things are heating up. Please give me something good. Golett, Larvesta, Servine, Golurk! Wow, look at that art rare! And we got the double hit! We got N, my glorious king N. Oh my god, Lilligant and Tortuga! Wow, what a pack! I took the lead by 2, Sheshe. Alright, only 2 rounds left, and we're starting with Sheshe. We got Rockerfella, Vanillite, Cottony, Devout, Embor, Liepard, and Stunfisk. No hit for you, Sheshe. I'm still in the lead. Okay. Poniard, Pansage, Pidove, Sesmitode, Volcarona, Reuniclus, and Prism Energy. No hit for me either. We're down to the last 2 packs. Let's see if Sheshe can beat me. This is your final chance, Sheshe. Okay, starting with Shelmet, Pansear, Gothita, Main Fu, Gothitelle, Energy Retrieval, and Saw. Guess you lose, Sheshe. Still gonna open up the last pack. Hopefully I can get someone so I can rub it in. Timple, Adino, Litwick, Darumaka Master Ball! That's another hit! Conkeldurr, Golurk, and Darmanitan. That was crazy. Sheshe, how does it feel to be a traitor and a loser at the same time? Sure, Sheshe. Anyway, look, all of these gorgeous hits, all the art rares, all the Pokeballs, the EXs, the Master Balls, and I get to keep them all because I won and you lost. What do you mean that's what I think, Sheshe? What are you up to?